correlation analysis is performed to look at the relationship between two variables. This method does have certain assumptions. In this module, we will talk about the assumptions. One of the very important assumptions in the correlation analysis is that of normality. And under the correlation model, X and Y are assumed to vary together in what is called a joint distribution. And if this joint distribution is normal distribution, it is referred to as a bivariate normal distribution. And inferences regarding this population may be made based on the results of samples properly drawn from it. So in one hand, the form of the joint distribution is known to be non-normal, or if the form is unknown and there is no justification for assuming normality, inferential procedures are invalid, although descriptive measures can be computed. The following assumptions must hold for inferences about the population to be valid when sampling is from a bivariate normal distribution. For each value of X, there is a normally distributed subpopulation of Y values. And for each value of Y, there is a normally distributed subpopulation of X values. The joint distribution of X and Y is a normal distribution called bivariate normal distribution. The subpopulations of Y values all have the same variance, and the subpopulation of X values all have the same variance. Here is a pictorial representation of these assumptions, where fxy represents the bivariate distributions, and then we have the marginal distribution represented by x-axis and y-axis. Here the curve shows the picture for the bivariate normal distribution. And if it's a perfect bell-shaped curve from all the dimensions, that represents that this is a bivariate normal distribution for two variables involved. The picture A represents a perfect bivariate normal distribution. Picture B represents a cutaway showing normally distributed subpopulation of Y for given X. And C shows a cutaway showing normally distributed subpopulation of X for given Y. One can clearly observe that A, B, and C, all three figures show a perfect symmetrical distribution, which is mesokurtic at the same time. Though we cannot really calculate mesokurtic by just visualizing it from the data. But certainly, since it's coming from the bivariate normal distribution, one can say it with confidence. So these are the assumptions that are very important when we talk about the correlation analysis. And if the data belongs to the bivariate normal distribution, it's good to perform correlation analysis and perform statistical inference on it. Thank you.